Well, record high inflation is hitting just about everything, including sales of chocolate. Sales are down 2 to 3% over the last couple of months due to higher prices. That's according to Reuters. It spoke to an executive from Hershey. And that's where we find Sozzi's Take Day. Soz, are you a chocolate consumer?
Well, I am here to report sour news on sweets. You see what I did there? You have to make it fun. I mean, the finance should have to be as boring as watching grass grow. To your point, yes, U.S. chocolate sales down 2 to 3% the last few months. That is according to Reuters. New report from them citing IRI data. Essentially, that is a grocery data tracking firm that tracks these sales. Interesting to note, chocolate sales volume for the 13 weeks ended June 12th, down 1.5%. So like we were talking about with Conagra a little earlier, prices are going up for chocolate, and consumers are perhaps not out there buying some of that more expensive chocolate, perhaps like a Hershey's, a Reese's, and a Kit Kat like you see on the screen. What is working, though, fascinating, sales of private label chocolate up 8% in the last 6 months.
That makes sense. They're trading down.
But unclear what private label chocolate actually is. I have not seen
store brand chocolate.
Okay,
yeah.
So there I am. Promoting the trade down effect. It is time to go try some of that private label candy.
Even though you didn't know what it was.
Clearly I didn't know what it was. I didn't know what it was. Just give it a try anyway. But we were just talking, you were showing a lot of Hershey's products on the screen. Those may or may not be Hershey's. Goldman Sachs out with a report on Hershey's, I believe 2 weeks ago, noting Hershey's just took a 14% price increase for its various products. 17% increases for Hershey bars and 13% increase for their Big King bars, which is just their longer Hershey bars. Those are big increases. And if you're a price-sensitive consumer, perhaps you don't put that Hershey bar in the bag.
Yeah, I guess. I mean, some of this also, I wonder if baking chocolate is in here, right? Because there I've definitely seen store brands.
You got me on the baking chocolate.
I've less seen the store brands, indeed, for some of the, candy bars.
What's your favorite? What was your favorite candy up there, Julie?
I always liked whatchamacallit, which is a little bit more obscure. Kit Kat I like, a Twix I like. I like the caramel and chocolate and cookie kind of combo. What about you?
I like Whoppers. Whoppers don't get enough attention.
Malt balls.
Yeah, Whoppers.
Wow.
Smile on malt.
But that's what a Whopper is.
Yeah,
it's a malt ball.
That big bar. That is a classic Hershey bar. What you're seeing on the screen, probably up 17% versus this time last year. That's huge.
But if I'm gonna treat myself, I'm gonna go Maison du Chocolat, like Jacques Torres here in New York has.
Well, right now I'm treating myself. I'm on a cleanse, so I'm rolling with grapefruit. No chocolate for me. Grapefruit.
You're always on a cleanse. When are you not on a cleanse?
There's always something going on.